If you notice that people are checking out your digital products, online course, or coaching program, and you see that they're landing on your checkout page, but they're not actually paying for it, they kind of look at the page and then walk away, the ultimate solution to solve this problem on autopilot is through cart abandonment emails. Inside of Kajabi, they make it really easy to do this as long as you know how to access the right features, which is exactly what I'm going to show you today. If you want to take advantage of a free 30-day trial of Kajabi to play with the platform yourself, you can use my link profityourknowledge.com/Kajabi. This is an affiliate link, so I get a small percentage of your investment in Kajabi, but there's no extra cost to you compared to if you went through Kajabi's website yourself. All this does is simply support me and this channel for referring someone to Kajabi. But when you sign up with my link, I'm going to give you instant access to a course I created called Kajabi Kickstart, which is going to help you set up and launch your online business with Kajabi in that first 30 days. On top of that, when you're inside of Kajabi Kickstart, you will have access to a free 45-minute coaching session with me where you and I both get to deep dive into your Kajabi account, and I will be there to answer any questions you have about Kajabi, marketing, or even making your first sale with the platform. All of this is free, and you can get instant access by going to profityourknowledge.com/Kajabi or clicking the link down in the description. Without further ado, let's dive into Kajabi. So the way that we're going to create your cart abandonment emails is when you're inside of your Kajabi dashboard, you're just going to want to go over to the sales tab, and under sales, we will go into the offers sub tab, and this will lay out all of the different offers that you have inside of your Kajabi account. So we'll click on the one that I have right here, this example, my sweet mini course. And when you get inside of your offer, you're going to want to go to the settings tab. And then down here, you will see send cart abandonment emails. We're going to want to turn that on, send an email reminder. You can decide when you want to send this after someone has landed on your checkout page, considered buying, and then left. I like to go an hour later, but it's whatever you want to do. As soon as you do that, Kajabi is going to have an automated cart abandonment email that they're going to send to your audience, but you can change it, you can edit it and make it whatever you want it to be. Just click down on this little button right here, edit reminder email template. Click on that, you'll go to this section, and we want to go to cart abandonment right here. Click edit, and they're going to say, hey there, we noticed that you were about to purchase offer title, but didn't finalize your order. To complete your order, simply click the link below. Okay, so you can customize all of this stuff. You can say for the subject line something like, you were so close. And then you could say something like, hey friend, I noticed that you were about to purchase. I would leave this. It's called a liquid markup. As you can see down here, they kind of show you how to set these up, but they already have it set up, so don't mess with this section. When you create a cart abandonment email, the only downside inside of Kajabi is that you can't link to a like an email sequence or something. So you can't have like 5 emails that get sent out. You just get one cart abandonment email, one chance to send an email to that person, to get them to go back to it, ideally to click the link and make it easy for them to be like, you know what, I'm just going to do it. You want to make sure the liquid markup is set up, because it will automatically connect to the cart and offer that the person left from. Bottom line, just leave this section alone right here, or this little liquid markup thing. You can change all the other wording around it, but don't mess with this part. Any of this stuff, leave it there, okay? Because that's going to make sure that they get back to the right checkout page for the right offer. When you're done, you can always send a test email by clicking right here. You can preview in the browser, and when you're fully happy with whatever the message says, just hit save and you're all good. If you have any more questions about setting up cart abandonment emails inside of Kajabi, let me know in a comment below. Other than that, consider trying out Kajabi yourself for 30 days using my link in the description below, and I'll see you in the next one.